can you just give us a quick what's in the box? Like, what's a typical package look like?
Yeah, so effectively, I mean, we can slice and dice this in all sorts of different areas, but effectively, we have three products that we sell the most of, or three configurations that we sell the most of. We have what we call a field service kit, which has three transducers in it and a dial indicator, and the multi-tool, which is a screen that you read it off, right? And most people, most service technicians that go out into the field have one of those permanently in their pickup trucks, and he carts that around with him. He can plug it in to his pickup, and it's always charged. So that's a very popular product. Then we have a workshop a model, which is 7 transducers and a multi-tool. And that the reason for that is that usually stays in the workshop and can do most of the jobs that come through the workshop as far as high pressure fluid is concerned. And then we have the dial indicator, which would normally we have 4 dial indicators in a kit. So they're the 3 most popular products by a long shot. And it is, once again, it's quite simple. Are you in the field? Yes, get a field service kit. Are you in the workshop? Yes, get a 7 transducer kit. Or if you're in the workshop or in the field, for the dial indicators, there's 4 dial indicators that are in that kit. And as I say, that by far the most popular of our products. So really 3 products. We have a tachometer as well for measuring fan speed, and we can sometimes put that in there as well.
So, Dustin, I'm just curious, in this entering the market, is there going to be a lot of tacking on with it? I mean, you have clients all over the place and in all different types of applications. Is there going to be a lot of tack on, or is there going to be a lot of new client? Like, what's your approach with the market entry side of it?
Yeah, so we have a 2-pronged approach. Initially, we're obviously going to go after our current customer base. And then after that, we're going to try to push this out through our marketing team. We're working internally to make our ERP system communicate with a direct customer purchase or a point of sale system. We've never done that before, and I'm not sure that we're going to be able to pull that off, but the idea is to send out some advertisement and then allow a customer to click on it and get a quote and then purchase directly off the website. So
just quickly wondering, the reaction you've already had from clients, talking to them, it must be sort of from their end, because there's so much, even from their end, there's a lot of noise in the industry as well. We quite honestly, we eliminate a lot of people from coming on the show just by the fact that they don't want to unpack their products over an hour on the show because it's not market ready. We run into that quite a bit. So they're trying to filter out a lot of noise too. That must be a huge advantage, having a company like L&H coming and saying, okay, we've got a solution for this specific thing. It must be such a much easier onboard for from your clients' end as they're trying to filter out all the noise of the technology that's coming at them.
Yeah, I think that again, and I think we have done a lot of things well. And I think that this product just ties back into that trustworthiness that we've built in our current industries. And it'll be interesting to see, as we push into these other industries throughout, if we can start building up that trust factor. As you well know, the customer base that we currently have often comes to us to provide a solution. This is an easy plug and play, and we already have that trust built up with those folks. So entry to market with our traditional, I'll call them our traditional customers, I think would be very, very easy and very rapid. The other industries, it'll take a bit.
Yeah.